Okay, so I got the bearings all greased up. I got everything ready to go. Got the sprocket. Trying to find it. Oh, I have it wrapped in a towel. I have the sprocket all greased up, seal back in. Put a little bit of grease on this insert there and that sleeve. So that's all covered up, ready to go back on. What I'm going to do now is put a rim lock on here. Man, it's humid here today. Anyway, I'm going to put a rim lock in this thing. It didn't come with them. This is on the DR650. On my Honda XR650, it is in between the 12th and 13th spoke. But that puts it in an area where I don't have that much meat. So I have a choice of going between the 10th and 11th, or the 10th and 11th, or the 13th, or 14th, 15th. And I think I'm going to go farther away, because on my Honda it's about a 2 o'clock position. So here's what we're going to do. We have the original hole right here. God, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I'm right, I have a mark right here. I have a mark right there. And I just did this with pencil. I'm just eyeballing it. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to drill my hole here. And put my pencil down there. Now let's put this guy back on the ground. Let's get my towels off the ground. Excellent. All right. So I'm going to eyeball it one more time. This is about where I want it. And there's kind of a center band that runs through here from where the rim band was. It shows you about where the center is. So I'm just going to put it right about there. Okay. And then we're going to start with a small pilot hole and work our way up. It's one of those things you always hate doing this, because like, man, if I screw up, I'm dicked up here. All right, so let's make sure we're in the hole. There we go. Little pressure. All right, so we got the small hole going. And we can put the little bit bigger one in. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. And I kind of got in between sizes, so it'll be just a smidgen larger, which is fine. And this and this. Ooh, that actually works. Good. Always check. All right, so that works good. So we're done. And we will wipe this off. This is a throwaway rag. So it's metal shavings. All right. And I will clean it better. But anyway, so we have the original valve stem hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in between the 14th and 15th spoke, we will have this. All right. Yep, that's big enough. And then all I'm going to do is take a little bit larger one and then just chamfer it a smidgen. There we go. Perfect. Doesn't tear my glove or anything. So we have our hole drilled for that. And we'll be able to put the rim lock in. And we will be good to go. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we got the mighty RMX250 here. I'm going to put a rim lock in the front wheel. I already did the back one, just made a short video. But what we're going to do is we're going to put a rim lock in here. All right, here's our valve stem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I think this is where we wanted it. Yeah, this is our biggest gap here. And the seam is way up here. I don't want to be drilling anywhere near that. And I'm just going to put a little eyeball pencil mark. And I'm going to take my little punch thing here. Make sure I'm just eyeballing it. I could measure it all up, but the hole's going to be a smidge bigger anyway. Put this back in my case, and I'll put the pencil back in my case. All right. And I'm going to drill a little pilot hole, and I'm actually going to come out here because I want to get this where I can sweep out the pieces. I don't want it close to where I'm working on other stuff. So, okay, so we'll drill this guy first. And last time I stopped with the 5/16 when I was doing the back one. So. I should have did this on my first DR. Speaking of my first DR, that sold yesterday, and the guy was happy with it. I was happy to have it gone. Okay, and I do have my safety glasses on. So, all right, and that was a 764. All right, so now let's just go 5/30 seconds. We'll just go up gradually. Okay. Yeah, once you get the first one, it goes pretty darn quick. And we'll go up 7:30 seconds. Doesn't really matter, it's just you're going up a little bit at a time. Okay. Now we're going for the big mamba. No, let's just go quarter. We'll just keep going up by increments at this stage. Like I said, last time I stopped at a 5/16 when I was doing the rear wheel. Excellent. So put this guy back and turn this upside down. I will wash it all off. I got a little bit of metal on me. It's a little sticky today, but not like North Carolina or anything. All right, so I'm going to get my rim lock. All right, get that when I'm done. Okay, so now the rim lock is for a 1.85. DR650 has a little bit wider rim than, like, say, your motocross bikes at 1.60. So we'll put that there. I'll spin this guy off. Ooh, look at that. It fits nice down into it. Nice. So we're good there. So I'm going to leave this guy off. So like I said, I stopped with the 5/16 hole, and that is good. So here comes the garbage truck. So I finished just in time before the garbage truck. So I'm going to wash this wheel. I'm going to mount the tire, and we are good to go.